Marhaban. Today's letter is the. And it's on page 116 from Kitabee 1. So open your books on page 116. So the letter the, as you can tell, it connects on both sides and it looks exactly the same as a to with a dot. Well done. So let's write the letter the. So by itself, just the stick, the B in English with a dot, and then at the beginning it's exactly the same with a bit of an arm to the left to connect with the next letter. Don't forget the dot. That's the the. In the middle, we come from the previous letter, we write the the and go to the next letter. So we come from here, write the letter and then the dot. At the end, we come from here and finish it off here. So come from the previous letter, draw the the, we don't forget the dot. So this is the letter the. It's not the, it's the, heavy the. So we don't have this letter in English, it's heavy the. Now, on page 116, do the exercise, pause the video for a while, I'll see you shortly. Well done, you've done a great job writing the letter the. Now, don't forget to show your parents how well you're doing. Now I want you to listen to the letter the with short and long vowels. So listen and please pronounce it properly. It's a the, heavy the, not the. Now listen and repeat. حرف الضاء ض ض ضا ضا ضي 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 ضو 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 ضو. All right, now let's go to page 117 to do the simple exercises that we always do. Now, the word that shows to you here is, as you can read, it's a, b, u, abu, the, b, i, the, Abu Dhabi. And you may know that Abu Dhabi in English is Abu Dhabi, and it's the capital city of the United Arab Emirates. Have you been to Abu Dhabi before? In Arabic, it's Abu Dhabi. So let's look for the letter the. Where is it? Correct. That's the letter the. And we're circling it. The. Abu Dhabi. Now the next exercise, we're looking for the the. Is this the? No. La. This is ta. Is this the? Naam. The. So let's pause for a sec, do the exercise. I'll see you shortly. Okay, now we're on page 118. Let's continue the conversation. We've learned many words in Arabic, and now let's learn a few more. Now we're saying sentences. The first sentence that we have here is أنا أدرس العربية. أنا, I am, or I, أدرس, study, العربية, Arabic. Can you say after me? أنا أدرس العربية. أنا أدرس العربية. And now, if you say this to someone and he or she as well study Arabic, so they would say أنا أيضا. أنا أيضا. Me too. So let's practice it. أنا أيضا. أنا أيضا. Now let me say this to you. أنا أدرس العربية. You say? Well done. أنا أيضا. Alright, let's keep talking. So the third line here is if you want to ask someone how many brothers do they have? So you say كم أخا عندك. كم, how many? أخا, brothers or sisters. عندك. Say after me. كم أخا عندك. كم أخا عندك. Now, if we're talking to a girl, we say كم أخا عندك. كم أخا عندك. Alright, and the answer for this question, we say عندي, I have. Do you remember the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Now, I'd say, for myself, I'd say عندي 3 وأنت. عندي 3, I have 3. وأنت, and you. Or وأنتِ, and you, girl. So let me ask you the question and you answer how many do you have. كم أخا عندك? And you say عندي, what number? Count them. عندي وأنت, and you. Well done. So this is how we say I have, you have, and you. So this is our conversation for today. I want you to go to your parents and say the first sentence to them. أنا أدرس العربية. Say it in Arabic for them and see how they will respond. And this is the conversation part. On page 119, we have a simple homework. The first homework is to copy words. The second one is an interesting one. We have scattered letters. You need to put them in order and write the word. So all these words we have done before in previous exercises. I want you to put them in order and join them to make a word. So this is our homework for today. This is our letter ظ. شكرا. مع السلامة.